Okay, I haven't really seen a whole lot of these videos on YouTube. I've seen more of the professionally made sprayers, pull behind sprayers and ATV mounted sprayers and stuff like that. I've seen a couple, but I haven't seen too many. But this was my quick, probably 30-minute contraption that I threw together this morning. It's a little 20-liter or just over 5-gallon hard plastic tank. The 2x4s are just kind of something I did. You don't obviously have to do it. The pump is a 1-gallon 40 psi, or I'm sorry, it's a 1 gallon per minute 40 psi pump. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's like I said, it's 1 gallon per minute, which I don't really think that's accurate, because I just had this almost full and it took more than a minute to completely empty it. So I think that's slightly misleading. The blue hose is just regular 3/8 inch inner diameter air line. It's a little bit overkill for this small of a pump, but it does work. Just a replacement hand wand that I picked up as well, and then the cables right here just hooked directly to 12 volt source. It does have an on-off switch, which was a nice feature. I was afraid I was going to actually have to do complete wiring, cut a wiring harness and all that stuff. But in this, I've got maybe roughly $50. The airline I had laying around, the tub I got for free. So pretty much the only thing I bought was the pump, the wiring harness, and the wand. Yeah, for somebody that's looking just to do something small, I live on an acre, so I had this probably at about 4.5 gallons full, and it was just water, just kind of testing it. And the 4.5 gallons was way more than what I needed, and all I did was around my fence line, and that was pretty much it. And then past that, I was just kind of, spraying it on that just for the fun of it. But just to give anybody that happens to watch this a little bit better of an idea, if they're in the market for one of these, don't necessarily just jump on it and buy it. I bought this trailer for 25 bucks. You obviously, if you've got a welder, which I don't, you could make your own, probably cheaper. Don't be like me, kind of look around, see what you can do, see what you can come up with. You might be able to get something like that, a little bit bigger, a little bit smaller. Heck, even a milk jug would honestly work perfectly fine. I'm going to use this for spraying weeds. It's just 10 times easier, obviously. So I hope this video kind of helps people out. This is my first actual video I'm truly posting on Facebook of anything worthwhile. So, like I said, hopefully this helps some people out, gets some people ideas, and if anybody's got any questions, by all means, leave comments down below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. But thanks for watching.